My hair, it looks better when it shook. Cause it's like volume. But what's up, y'all? It's your girl Misha Vanique, and I'm back with another video. And if you want to see how I got this hairstyle, like this high puff, then keep watching and make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you'll receive updates when I post videos to my channel. And also leave some comments down below, and some comments down below on like what natural hair products you use, or maybe I use the same ones. If y'all hear any like rain sounds or thunder in the background, it's really bad weather outside, and I have my bags packed because I'm getting ready to go to Orlando, so I gotta get my hair stuff out my bag. Don't mind me, I'm gonna look a little crazy, so I'm gonna take this out and we gonna redo it. But y'all will just need like these little rubber bands. I use these to like secure my hair up with, and it's like these postage bands, like the big ones that you use to pack packages up. I guess from Dollar General. So yeah, that's really all I use. These things. And first you want to start off with, okay y'all, see how my hair looks all crunchy and stuff, but first you want to start off with a spray bottle, and it's just water, and nothing but water. Y'all will see why later. You just spray your hair. I just dump mine because I don't really like to wet it all that much. Plus it's already been done today, so I'm just refreshing it. Wait, I don't want to show my arms back that much, so I'm not trying to lift my hair that much. Lift my arms up that much, I mean. Okay, and now, okay, y'all, this stuff is the best. I got this recently from Sally's. A girl that I work with told me to get it. I should get it. So shout out to Casey, because this is the best. I think I saw people using this, but I didn't really like look too much into it. But I'm glad I did get it because it makes my puff so much more easier and manageable. It makes my hair easier to comb through. You just take some gel, put it in the palm of your hand, and you work it through your hair. Y'all can see what I'm doing out on the perimeter outside of your hair. And basically, then you take a brush like this, and you just brush it and smooth your hair out. Can y'all see? Then After you get all your hair all brushed up, you take these little rubber bands. I double mine up because my hair is like really thick. So I like to have like just one, because what if one pops and then the other one's still there, so. Then you take this and you push it back, you lift it and you push it. If you want a high, then now I like to do my edges. I don't use the extreme wet line gel on my edges. I use a different kind of gel on my edges because it works better for me. But oh, you can also spray some leave-in conditioner on your hair. Like instead of using water, you can use like leave-in conditioner if you want to. For like, it's Aflogy Pro Vitamin Leave-In Conditioner. I think I showed y'all this before, but yeah. And on my edges, y'all know I use this. This is the best. This is the best for your edges. I just slick these baby hairs. You know I got slick baby hairs. It is pouring down, raining outside, like, and it's gonna be hot as heck tomorrow. Watch. I thought it's rainy begin right now. It's gonna be hot as heck tomorrow. I gotta take the baby hairs. Don't mind my eyebrows, y'all. I gotta get my eyebrows waxed. Man, whatever it's called. And you put a little bit in the kitchen too, because you don't want the kitchen to be all fluffy back there. I don't put a lot on my kitchen because I don't want my kitchen to be all, you know. Okay, and I use this brush to brush back here. And then for my edges, I use this. Y'all know about this. I don't know what it's called, but I use it. I got this from Dollar General. You can get your, it's some at Walmart too, I think. And at Sally's. I get the swoopies. Okay, y'all. So after you finish with the swoops, basically, hold on, because something ain't swoop right. Basically, I got this from Sally's. It's like a little, it's like a edge dryer. It dries the perimeter of your hair, like, because it has like the little holes that you can that lets like air through. And this is the brand this is the brand I got. It's Evolve, and it comes in like 2 packs, and they also have like these long like silk hair scarves you can use. I have the hair scarf too, but I can't find it I need to find it before I go out, before we leave for Orlando in the morning, because I think my next video, well, I know my next video will be like an Orlando vlog after this video. I just put this on here, and it takes my hair like, what, 30-40 minutes to dry. 30-40 minutes to an hour. If I want it to be like completely dry, I leave it on for an hour. But if I'm just, you know, going to work, I don't really care. I just leave it on for 30 minutes. But this is all I do for my little puff, high puff. You can like play with it and like pull it out a little bit more if you want to. But I'll see y'all when my hair, I'll come back to y'all when my hair dries. And yep. Okay, y'all, so I'm back, and it's been about an hour. My hair has set for about an hour. I almost fell asleep, but I'm about to show y'all the finished product of my hair. So this is like the high puff. I would do a bun, but I just can't get my hair to go into a bun. For some reason, I think my hair is too thick. Like, I don't know, why would I do a bun? Because I've been seeing the girls, natural girls that be having like their hair in the bun, they be so cute. I just only can do a puff. Comment down below what hair texture my hair is. I think it's 3B, 3C, I'm not really sure. But yep, this is a finished product. I tried to do a little something, y'all. I tried. Y'all can see how my hair like shrivels up. Like, it's really long, but like it looks so short. I'll try to give y'all the best. I did my best I could do in this tutorial. Good little thumbnail action. It's a good thumbnail, y'all don't know. Oh. I don't know if I can do my hair no bun or not. Oh, I really could. I have to use like bobby pins and stuff, because my hair won't stay in no damn bun. It's too puffy, too big. But yeah, y'all, that's it for this video. Make sure, if I haven't said it already, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you'll receive updates when I post videos on my channel. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.